My name is Colleen. I'm going to talk a little bit about these seed exploration kits that you might have. So there's a container that comes with your seed exploration kit. Container, the word describes what it does. It contains things. And before I open up the container and show you the rest of it, I want you to think for a minute about what you might need in a seed exploration kit. It's a kit that helps you explore seeds. So, probably gonna need some seeds. We obviously got the container. Let's see what else we have. Paper towel. Little bag of seeds. A mix of different seeds. 2 little baggies. And some soil or growing medium. So check your kit, make sure you have all of these supplies. Make sure that your soil is in the deeper part of your container. The shallow or the shorter part of the container is the lid. And the deeper part, that's the bottom where you want your soil. And then in the next video, we'll talk about looking at the soil. We'll talk about looking at some of the seeds. And we'll practice some different experiments that you can do with your seed exploration kit. Happy exploring!